want to go.
You can go. See if you can make it around the living room and the dining room even. Do you remember everything else? You've lived here for a long time. Mac knows. He remembers. There he is. He'll help you down the stairs.
He knows though.
No, he doesn't. He's still completely blind, honey. Mac. He has to take his time, just like you are.
Are these there?
Put your hands out. See, you have hands. He just bonks into stuff with his face, which kind of sucks.
I'm gonna be able to go. Out. Oh, yeah. Way. Okay. 2 ways. Oh, I know which way. I know. Wait. That. Okay, I know what that is.
You remember where you are?
Yeah, I'm on the stairs. Let's take us. Yeah, these are the stairs. Stairs are easy.
How many stairs are there, though?
I don't know.
You have to count, because
I'm
he
not
has to
reading.
count.
Maybe.
You don't think he has to count? Remember how many stairs there are?
Okay, now where do I go? Okay. Where? This is pretty long. I don't remember this being here. Is this new? Is this a new wall? Did you just add to this rose? Oh, this is okay. What do I do? Where do I go to, Mom?
Try to make it to the front door. Mac. Mac, come here, buddy.
Is that Leah? Sounds like her. She's funny.
Come here, Mac.
Ow. Yeah. I'm sick of it. So, here.
He says, follow me. I'll help you. I know where to go.
No, I made it!